to Kauai Stories.
Hula is my passion. Hula is how my heart communicates. I feel blessed to be able to dance hula because it was almost lost entirely in the early 1800s when missionaries arrived in Hawaii and banned it. One missionary society even called it a public evil.
Right at that moment, a wave picked me up and dumped me. It was so strong that it ripped off my fins.
What you feel is what you paint. Even smells can get put on canvas.
Believe it or not, we have seen just about every human emotion expressed by chickens: love, hate, jealousy, fear, and grief.
When Japan bombed Pearl Harbor on December 7, 1941, plunging Hawaii into World War II, thousands of Hawaii-born Japanese-American men joined the U.S. Army, and with their "Go for Broke" motto, became the most highly decorated units in U.S. military history.
The first thing that kind of grabs you is the sound a voyaging canoe makes when it's just sitting. It's almost like the canoe is alive and it wants to go somewhere.